So I'm so happy I get to do this again with my mama. I love you so much. What are you most excited about for this weekend?
I'm just excited to be out of Vancouver and at the beach. What a beautiful day the Lord has blessed us with. Oh, can't hardly believe it, but you know, how am I supposed to recognize how the Holy Spirit is working in my life?
Well, the Spirit works to help us with our understanding and grasping faith's mysteries. You just need to put a bird on it. Diane, that's not the right kind of bird.
I think it was a misunderstanding.
It was a misunderstanding. It's a bird of paradise. Because it's a plant, right?
Yes.
Lori, I'm so glad you're here this weekend. How was your drive?
Oh, it was great. I didn't have to drive. Emmy drove me, so
That's awesome.
very relaxing to sit through traffic with her.
So what are you looking forward to this weekend?
Oh, I can't decide. There's just so much to choose to do. I mean, like, do I go for a walk? Should I sit in my room and maybe study the Bible a little, pray with God? Or go to the bonfire? I'm looking forward to that. And it's just so much to, I don't know.
Well, the Holy Spirit works through us to counsel us and make wise decisions. I think that you need
To put a bird on it.
Is that her own outfit?
Thanks, Holy Spirit. You get the prize for the best outfit. If anybody needs a designer, just let me know. Good stuff.
Well, Jeannie, I'm so excited that you're here this weekend. We get to be roommates. So what do you think you'd like to get out of this weekend?
A little bit of quiet. I think quiet is just a very nice sounding thing. For those of you that don't know, I live in a world of a lot of people, a lot of students, a 4-year-old, and a lot of noise. So I'm a little concerned. I'm wondering how, in all this noise, I am going to be able to listen to God's voice.
Well, let's hope the Holy Spirit will give you some wisdom to value the things that of God, and you should
Put a bird on it.
She gets an owl for wisdom.
Oh, she's getting fancy.
Yeah. She's getting feisty. Emily, I am so excited to be able to spend this weekend with you. We were supposed to have this last year. You got sick. And so I am so beyond blessed to be able to spend this time with you. How are you feeling about this weekend?
I'm super excited to be back here, see all the ladies again. This is my second time. But I have to say, I'm afraid I won't impress the judges at the Holy Spirit High School cheer tryouts tomorrow.
You know what? You don't have to fear, because the Lord gives us fear to respect His majesty. I really think what you need is to put a bird on it. Not chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pie. You need to put a real bird on it.
Oh my gosh, Diane. Chicken. All right, ladies, I think we all have a better understanding of how to put a bird on it. The Holy Spirit is actually God in action. When we have a problem or a concern, we should all remember to put a bird on it.
Great.
All right, guys.